Hello everyone. In this video we will talk about long division with remainder, so let's start. We will try to solve these 6 different examples. Let's begin with 68 divided by 5. So these are our steps. The first one is divide. So how many 5 we have in 6? We have 1 5. Then multiply. So 5 multiplied by 1 equal to 5. Subtract. 6 minus 5 equal to 1. Bring down, so this 8. Then repeat the same steps. So divide, how many 5 we have in 18? We know that 5 times 3 equal to 15, and 5 times 4 equal to 20, which is greater than 18, so we won't take it. So we have 3 5 in 15. Then multiply, so 5 times 3 equal to 15. Subtract, 18 minus 15 equal to 3. Now we have no more digit to bring down, and the remainder is not equal to 0. We can write it as 13 or 3, so 13 and remainder 3. But what if we want to write it as a decimal, so 13 point something? What we will do? First of all, we will put a decimal point here and 0. We know that 68 is the same as 68.0. So when we have a decimal point, we can add zeros as much as we need to the right. So 68 is the same as 68.0. We just add a decimal point and a 0. Then we'll raise this decimal point to the quotient like that. And now we can bring down this 0 and repeat our process. So divide, how many 5 we have in 30? We have 6 5. Multiply, so 5 multiplied by 6 equal to 30. Subtract, 30 minus 30 equal to 0. Now our remainder is equal to 0, then the division is over. So 68 divided by 5 equal to 13.6. 21 divided by 4. Because 4 is greater than 2, then we should take the 2 digits. Now divide. How many 4 we have in 21? We know that 4 times 5 equal to 20, and 4 times 6 equal to 24, which is greater than 21, so not accepted. So we have 5 4. Now multiply. So 4 multiplied by 5 equal to 20. Subtract, 21 minus 20 equal to 1. Bring down. Now we have no more digits to bring down, and the remainder is not equal to 0. So as we did before, we will add a decimal point and a 0 here. Then we will raise this decimal point to the quotient and bring down this 0 and repeat our step. So divide, how many 4 we have in 10? So 4 times 2 equal to 8, and 4 times 3 equal to 12, greater than 10, not accepted. Then multiply, 4 times 2 equal to 8. Subtract, 10 minus 8 equal to. No more digits to bring down, and the remainder is not equal to 0 also, so we will add another 0. Bring down. Now how many 4 we have in 20? We have 5. Then multiply, so 4 times 5 equal to 20. Subtract, 20 minus 20 equal to 0. Now the remainder is equal to 0, then our division is over. So 21 divided by 4 equal to 5.25. 107.5 divided by 25. So look at the first digit. 25 is greater than 1, so we should take the 2 digits. 25 is greater than 10 also, then we should take the 3 digits. Now divide. So how many 5 we have in 107? We know that 25 times 2 equal to 50, times 3 equal to 75, times 4 equal to 100, and times 5, so just add 25, it's 125, which is greater than 107, so it's not accepted. So we have 425. Then multiply. So 25 times 4 equal to 100. Subtract 107 minus 100 equal to 7. Bring down this 5. But first we should also raise this decimal point. Now here, divide. How many 25 we have in 75? So 25 times 3 equal to 75. Multiply 25 times 3 equal to 75. Subtract 75 minus 75 equal to 0. Now the remainder is equal to 0, and we have no more digits to bring down, then the division is over. So 107.5 divided by 25 equal to 4.3. 44.7 divided by 3. So divide. How many 3 we have in 4? We have 1. Then multiply. So 3 times 1 equal to 3. Subtract 4 minus 3 equal to 1. Bring down the other digit and repeat the same process. So divide. How many 3 we have in 14? We know that 3 times 4 equal to 12, and 3 times 5 equal to 15, greater than 14, so not accepted. So we have 4. Multiply. So 3 multiplied by 4 equal to 12. Subtract 14 minus 12 equal to. Bring down the other digit, and we should raise this decimal point. So divide. How many 3 we have in 27? We have 9. Multiply. So 3 multiplied by 9 equal to 27. Subtract 27 minus 27 equal to 0. Now the remainder is equal to 0, then our division is over. So 44.7 divided by 3 equal to 14.9. 18.6 divided by 1.2. In this example, we have a decimal point in the divisor. What we will do is remove this decimal point by shifting it to the right. So if you have 1.2, just shift it to the right, you will get 12. But we should also do the same for the dividend, so just remove it to the right. We will get 186. Now we will do our division as we did before. So divide. How many 12 we have in 18? We have 1, because 12 multiplied by 2 equal to 24, which is greater than 18, so not accepted. Then multiply. So 12 times 1 equal to 12. Subtract 18 minus 12 equal to 6. Bring down the other digit. So divide. So how many 12 we have in 66? We know that 12 times 5 equal to 60, and 12 times 6 equal to 72, greater than 66, so not accepted. So we have 5. Multiply. So 12 times 5 equal to 60. Subtract 66 minus 60 equal to 6. Now we have no more digits to bring down, and the remainder is not equal to 0. So we will put a decimal point here, add 0, Then raise this decimal point to the quotient and bring down the 0. And repeat the same process. So how many 12 we have in 60? 12 times 5 equal to 60. So multiply, subtract, 60 minus 60 equal to 0. Now the remainder is equal to 0. Then our division is over. So 18.6 divided by 1.2 equal to 15.5. So here also we have a decimal point in the divisor. We have to remove it. So just shift it to the right by 1 digit. We will get 17. And the same for the dividend. So shift it to the right by 1 digit. We will get 210.8. Now we'll do our steps. So how many 17 we have in 21? We have 1, then multiply. So 17 multiplied by 1 equal to 17. Subtract 21 minus 17 equal to 4. Bring down the 0 and repeat the same step. So how many 17 we have in 40? 17 multiplied by 2 equal to 34 times 3 equal to 51, greater than 40, so not accepted. So we have 2. Multiply, so 17 times 2 equal to 34. Subtract 40 minus 34 equal to 6. Bring down the 8. And raise the decimal point to the quotient, so here. And repeat the same process. So divide 17 times 4 equal to 68. So we have 417. Then multiply. So 17 times 4 equal to 68. Subtract 68 minus 68 equal to 0. Now the remainder is equal to 0. So our division is over. So 200 or 21.08 divided by 1.7 equal to 12.4. Hope it's clear. If you like the video, please hit the like and subscribe button. And goodbye.